Hey, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How about others? Is morning not good?
Students, please reply to ma'am. Say something. Good morning.
All right. So today we are going to, go ahead and talk about resume building, which we left in our last conversation. So let's start that. Wait a minute. Let me turn my share screen on. Just a minute. I hope you all can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we read about why it is hard. We also read about why do we need a good resume. We read about the fundamentals, that what we should, do while preparing for our resume, etc. We read about applicant tracking system. We also read about how keywords are powerful. Okay, so we also have seen good sample resume, and we saw a very average kind of a resume as well. We also learned about what does ATS look for while checking out a resume while any person gets a job call. We also saw that there are two types of resume: written resume and your video resume. So we also saw that video last class. We also find out that what are the errors that we have seen in resume which we should avoid doing. Okay, so sample, we've seen it. Video mistakes we discussed. Did we discuss what were the video mistake that lady was making? We saw a video, right? In our last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Did we discuss that what were the mistakes?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. So let's discuss the video mistake that she made. Number one, she was coming to face camera or whatever she was trying to prove herself with no content, no concentration, no content. She don't know what she wants to sell. Correct? First thing. So not knowing your content properly. Your information, when you're representing yourself to the entire world, and that's what it is going everywhere, and people are like not only reading about you, they're seeing you, they're observing you, they're reading out your body language. So as I told you, talking has only 30% impact. Your body language has 70% impact. Okay, so communicating through your body language, which is called non-verbal communication. What we are talking is called verbal communication. Okay, so non-verbal communication is much more, people can judge or people can make a decision based on a non-verbal communication. Because verbal communication, everybody is going to talk good about themselves. But what you're talking, is it reflecting the same as a persona? Anybody can read it. Anyone who has experience in reading and non-verbal communication can quickly judge that you're faking. Okay, so her non-verbal communication, what she was giving through that video was not appropriate. So first one, she was not having proper content. Second one, non-verbal communication was not appropriate. Third one is clarity. Clarity, she was confused with no clarity. Sometimes she was saying that, okay, I'm available in this. Sometimes she was stopping out of the topic, which is non-relevant, not required for that kind of a setup. Though her, background, her everything was pretty good, professional, everything, but she was also chewing. What she was chewing? Chewing gum?
Yes,
She
ma'am.
was having gums.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you are talking to somebody, look, if I'm talking to you and where are you? Where is your concentration going? To what I'm chewing, right? Will I ever be able to make an impact so that you listen to me rather than seeing what I'm doing?
No, ma'am.
In few interviews, you will notice that this is what it happens in real world. It's not what she's showing the video for our understanding. It's not a fake thing. It happens. People don't realize. And there is one more thing which you will see. If I'm talking to you, I'm turning my chair right and left, right, but I'm listening to you. Do you think the other person who's listening to you will be able to concentrate on you? Yeah. There is few people, they will hold the pen and they'll keep rotating. So these things are distractors. Okay. So if you're making a video resume, it is almost like कि आप किसी के सामने बैठ के इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो, करेक्ट? आप अपने बारे में बता रहे हो. तो इन सिचुएशन में आपके डिस्ट्रैक्शंस का अमाउंट ज्यादा हो जाएगा कंसंट्रेशन से. So that is going for a toss. It's not a good video resume. Now, content में कितना mistake है? Content is like the main thing that is driving the other person to take a decision. ठीक है, और उस कंटेंट में ही इतना मिस्टेक है उस बंदी का कि दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड कंसिडर लुकिंग एट. शी वाज कंफ्यूज्ड. अच्छा, मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए सैटरडे अवेलेबल नहीं, मैं फ्राइडे नहीं, मेरा फ्राइडे तो दूसरा अपॉइंटमेंट है, नहीं वेनेसडे, अच्छा मुझे तो उस दिन सोशल मीडिया जाना है, और ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. सो व्हाट हैपेंस समटाइम्स दैट हम कुछ बोल देते हैं एंड वी लेटर ऑन रियलाइज अरे ये तो सही नहीं बोला, हमें तो ये बोलना चाहिए. So sometimes your silence, understanding, then talking, okay, is very important. Not only in your making a video resume or representing for yourself, but also it is helpful when you are in a two-way communication, when you are sitting in with somebody, not only on your professional world or career or academics, but also in your personal your personal development as well. Not only is what you can change you as a persona. Okay, good. So now the next one, let's see this sample video. Can you hear the audio?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
just
ma'am.
a minute, let me share sound. Just tell me now, can you hear it?
Hi, this is Ritvika Jaiswal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute.
Currently, I'm pursuing Master's Program and PGDBM at Aegis School of Business and Telecommunication. This program has helped me understand and analyze the telecom industry and its ecosystem. It has also helped me develop my skills in various aspects of technology, business, and business models of different companies.
Hi, I am Rishikesh, an aspiring data scientist. I am currently a participant of the postgraduate program in Business Analytics and Big Data at the Aegis School of Business, Mumbai. Before that, I completed my graduation in
Can you all hear this? Can you hear this? I'm getting some reply in chat. Okay. Okay. You can hear it. Okay. Fine. Fine.
Hi, I am Rishikesh, an aspiring data scientist. I am currently a participant of the postgraduate program in Business Analytics and Big Data at the Aegis School of Business, Mumbai. Before that, I completed my graduation in mathematics from the Indian Statistical Institute's Bangalore Center. Along with having majored in mathematics, I have also studied 5 major courses in statistics and 3 in probability theory. As a part of my program in Aegis, I have been thoroughly exposed to various tools, techniques and concepts in the big data and data science environment. I have learned several conceptual topics like machine learning, information retrieval, natural language processing, data visualization, etc. I have also been exposed to usage of different big data technologies like Apache Hadoop, MapReduce, Apache Spark, IBM InfoSphere Big Insight, etc. Apart from my curriculum, I have participated and carried out various live projects at Aegis. For example, the first project that I carried out was titled Driver Telematics for Auto Insurance. The basic idea behind this project was to create driver profiles based on attributes that we drew from GPS coordinates of several drivers. We then used these profiles to determine risk scores, which were then in turn used for the determination of insurance premium amounts. My second project was to build a simple and small search engine using Lucene and Elasticsearch. My third project was about stock market analysis. We extracted data for several companies from the National Stock Exchange. We analyzed this data to study the uptrends, downtrends, and fluctuations in the stock prices of these companies. My fourth and last project, which is still ongoing, is based on customer churn analysis. We are carrying out this project for one of the most largest telecom giants in India. The idea behind this project is to determine the rate and the reasons behind customer churn. And after that, we will try to come up with prescriptive strategies to avoid customer churn. In the near future, I also plan on undertaking a project in image processing. Based on my wide skill set and the hands-on experience that I have gathered from these projects, I look forward to an adventurous journey in the data science field. Thank you.
Okay. So have you heard this video resume? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. So now what this guy was doing, what is the main thing that you are taking out of this? Tell me. Would anybody want to say that what is your takeaway from this video resume? What this guy was trying to do?
He told about his achievements.
Very nice, very good. And what is the difference between that you see from the earlier one and this one? Tell me. Huge difference? What is that? Very nice answer, achievement, and what else?
He also told about his expertise.
Very good point. What else? Very good. Thank you. What else? Yes, somebody was saying something. Tell. None of you have written a chat. Okay. Better skills presentation. His tones. Very nice. Very good answer, Viraj. What else? Stones. Okay. Okay. Any other views? Anyone else? Ladies, where are you? What is the difference between the earlier video and this video, apart from these pointers? What do you observe? Okay. So our colleague writes, confidence, talking, no fear. Very good. Very good. The way he was not talking did not bore us. Wow, very nice point, Viraj. Correct. We are able to connect with that person. Very good. What else? It did not bore, so we started taking him seriously. And that is what we all want from our lives. People to take our things seriously. Not to take us as a fun or joke. Who wants to be, laughed at? Anybody of us wanted that people should laugh at us? No, right? If you're not cracking joke, if you're not like in a mood of telling jokes so that people laugh, other than this, we do not want that people should laugh at us, at our idea, achievements, goals that we have. We want people to take us seriously. So what this guy was majorly doing, he was building his credibility. देखो उसने उसके selling points से शुरू किया. What is more sellable? He started with this. Then he said about his project. The वेरी गुड थिंग. डिड यू ऑल नोटिस दैट वो सिर्फ बोल नहीं रहा था, उसने अपनी ग्राफिक्स वीडियो में ऐसी बनाई जो वहां पे लिखा हुआ भी आ रहा है. यस और नो? सो where it is impacting not only our ear but also eyes. Correct? जब लिखा हुआ आता है, बहुत बार हम बोलते हैं things are not understood. आपको बैक करके, लेकिन जब वो बंदा बोलता है और नीचे सबटाइटल्स लिखे आते हैं, आपको ज्यादा समझ आता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So he made his video resume just not कि बैठा आपने बोला, that's it. No, he has put a lot of effort. He did research, he did some graphics, he did some representation, he did some, extra effort making himself more sellable. And at last, the beauty of that end of this is he said what he want. उसे क्या करना है? He has set that expectation. Is that clear to all of you? That why this video resume was professional setup, why this video resume was like representing his credibility. Okay, great. Very nice. You guys are so active on chat box. I have to just click there and see it, whether I got some reply or not. Very nice. Okay. So, we did 1 minute. Now let us understand important element of a good resume. First thing, अगर आपको grammar गलत है, it's going to leave a very bad impression. Okay? Punctuations. आपके सेंटेंस में समझो अगर फुल स्टॉप ही नहीं है, कॉमा नहीं, so how you are going to read that sentence? It will continue and there will be no understanding of what you have written. ठीक है? Formatting, वो हमने देखा हुआ है. Tense, आप आगे क्या करना चाहते हो फ्यूचर टेंस में बोलोगे, आपने क्या किया है आप पास्ट टेंस में बोलोगे. अगर इसमें विल की जगह वॉज लगा दिया तो फ्यूचर वाला आपका पास्ट बन जाएगा और पास्ट वाला आपका फ्यूचर बन जाएगा और अगला वाला बंदा कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा कि आप कहना क्या चाह रहे हो. That is not going to solve your purpose. So importantly, you should use correct tense for correct situation. Order of the information. See, the order of the information really matters क्योंकि first impression is a lasting impression. हमने सबने सुना है ये बात. First impression is not the last impression. I would rather say first impression is a lasting impression. ठीक है? तो आपका order of resume, जो information आप दे रहे हो, give in such order जो आपके strong points पहले लोगों के नजर में आए आपके resume में. Yeah. Okay. So the order of the information is also very important. As I told you that resume is a marketing document. Okay. So marketing document is more on your visual, more on your, what are your like sellable pointers which you want to portray to others. और जब जैसे हमारे घर कोई आता है, घर एकदम तुरंत क्लीन करने रख देते हैं. हम कोई घर पे डिनर के लिए आता है तो हम नए डिनर सेट निकालते हैं उसके लिए, गेस्ट को जूस दूसरे ग्लास में देते हैं. ये सब हम क्यों करते हैं?
क्यों करते हैं? एक अकाउंट.
यस जगदीश. Okay. So why do we do this? Why do we represent ourselves when guests come home? Why do we clean house? Why do we start, giving them in different dinner set bowls? Why? Why do we give juice in? Very rightly said, Shrutika. Impress, to impress. Very simple. ठीक है, bang on, correct answer is impression. We want to have right, impression, right image, so that we are not judged for what we are doing. Same thing. Why do we want to have like correct order of information? To impress. Very simple. Topic over. To get ourselves known that, okay, this is what is our history look like. Okay. Bullet points. अभी लास्ट जो हमने देखा है रेज्यूमे में, कहीं पे आपने ऐसे वाला बुलेट पॉइंट यूज किया, कहीं कुछ और बुलेट पॉइंट, तो वो फॉर्मेट आपका कभी करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देगा. आपने अगर नंबर 1 लिखा और उसके अंदर आपने बुलेट यूज किया, तो वो उसका सब टॉपिक है, और फिर जब नया टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे तो वो नंबर 2 होना चाहिए, तब जाके आप पता चलेगा आप कहना क्या चाह रहे हो. अगर आपका नंबर 1 पॉइंट लिख के उसके सब टॉपिक में भी 1 2 3 4 डालोगे या कुछ और करोगे, इट्स गोइंग टू कंफ्यूज पीपल. ओके, सो बुलेट पॉइंट्स का यूसेज भी उन्हीं के मीनिंग में होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बुलेट पॉइंट? ठीक है, ऑलराइट. वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट, जैसे कि कहते हैं कंटेंट पे दुनिया सवार है, ऐसे व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, योर राइट इंफॉर्मेशन इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट, सो दैट शुड ऐड अ वैल्यू. हमने जैसे उस बंदे का रिज्यूमे में हमने पढ़ा था, ही डिड सम प्रिंटिंग इन मशीन, वो सारे दिन कॉफी पिया, उसने मीटिंग्स अटेंड किया, उसके पास लैपटॉप नहीं था. इज दिस अ वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट? नो. He can put this content a valuable. What task, what is the results, what is the outcome that has come from that meeting? He would have written that. What is the name of the project? What is the usage? What is the, these are all not non-valuable content, not required. So your content has to be so good कि सामने वाले को समझ आए. Okay. Contact information, personal details. This is very important in resume. क्योंकि बहुत बार क्या होता है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आपने समझो लाइक रिटन योर प्लेस नेम एंड महाराष्ट्र से समझिए आप शोलापुर से हैं, ठीक है, आपने वहां पर शोलापुर नहीं लिखा है, तो बहुत बार क्या होगा, शोलापुर की जो आई वाली अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी, जो आपके होम टाउन से नियरेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है, वो आप में कभी फिल्टर नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपको सर्च ही किया जाता है कीवर्ड से. कीवर्ड्स हमने पढ़ा ना एटीएस में, हाउ कीवर्ड्स होते हैं.
यस मैम.
सो अगर वहां पे राइट आपका लोकेशन नहीं होगा और आपको चाहत है कि मुझे शोलापुर में मिल जाए, मुझे पुणे ना आना पड़े, मुझे बॉम्बे ना जाना पड़े, XYZ, और जो भी आपको इच्छा है वो मिल जाते हैं. लैंग्वेजेस, जैसे लोग लैंग्वेज लिखते हैं, अगर सोचिए आपको जर्मन आता है, चाइनीज आता है, या आपको फ्रेंच आता है, संस्कृत आता है, जो भी आपको लैंग्वेजेस आते हैं, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट दिस इज योर क्रेडिबिलिटी. लिखिए. अगर बाहर के लोग उनको जिसको चाहिए है कि भाई मुझे जर्मन स्पीकर ही चाहिए इस रोल के लिए, who can interact with the local person, तो आपकी फिर अगेन वो फिल्टर की बात आई, अगेन द कीवर्ड्स विल कम, अगेन यू विल बी एबल टू दैट ओके यू आर गोइंग फॉर द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी. बहुत लोग पासपोर्ट का नंबर लिखना कंफर्टेबल होते हैं, लिखते हैं उसमें. पासपोर्ट की नंबर मत लिखिए अगर नहीं लिखना इंफॉर्मेशन. दिस इज अ पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन, यू माइट नॉट वांट टू गिव इट, बट व्हाट यू माइट टू गिव इट कि आई हैव पासपोर्ट. ओके, रेज्यूमे में अगर आपका पासपोर्ट है तो क्या पता आपको बाहर की अपॉर्चुनिटी आए. बहुत लोगों का वो फिल्टर बन जाता है. छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. पर्सनल डिटेल्स में क्या होना चाहिए, लैंग्वेजेस, आपके डिटेल्स, बट आप वहाँ क्या करते हो, अपना नाम लिख देते हो, अपने फादर का नाम लिख देते हो, मदर का नाम लिख देते हो. रिक्वायर्ड, इट्स योर बायोडेटा. कितने लोग लिखते हैं उसमें, कितने मेरे 3 सिबलिंग हैं, मेरे ये, हाउ इज दैट इंफॉर्मेशन वैलिड? कोई आपको डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हो जाता है, आपकी जॉब लग जाती है, तब आपको अगर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज होते हैं, बेनिफिट्स होते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल में, तब आपको देना होता है, आपके कौन डिपेंडेंट है तब दीजिए। रिज्यूमे में ये सारी चीजें जरूरत नहीं है, बट लोग लिखते हैं, ठीक है। सो माइंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, लिटिल थिंग्स, ट्राई टू यूज योर लॉजिक, ट्राई टू फाइंड अ रेलिवेंस. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू कैन डू दैट. ओके, लेंथ ऑफ रेज्यूमे, कोई बुकलेट बना देते हैं. आई टेल यू माई एक्सपीरियंस गाइज. सो आई वाज बैक वर्किंग इन, आई थिंक, टाटा. So I had seen that there was a guy who came with a bundle of resume. He was like pages. मुझे कम से कम कुछ नहीं तो सही, what as far as I remember, it's long back. कुछ नहीं तो सही 10 से 11 pages of resume. The big thing, he has written all the thing, all his career. Quite a senior guy, written all the experience, project, everything. And I asked him one question. That what are you contributing to the nature, to community? Wasting paper, giving so much information which is non-valid. What you can do for this job is more important for me. What you have done before is what you've done before. Now how you can bring that experience and do it now for me is more important. Wasting paper, it makes a difference, right? If everybody starts using 20 pages resume, that is what is a wastage that I feel. So I had this kind of experience. Length of resume is important. Maximum 1 to 2 pages enough. Even if I will have my, after 15 years of experience, if I will have my resume, that's maximum will go to 2 page or 1 page is enough. Enough to tell your portrait. That's the reason. आपको मौका एक पेज का है या 2 पेज का है मौका आपको, तो आपको उस मौके को सही से यूटिलाइज करना है. यू हैव टू गिव अ मार्केटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन रिप्रेजेंटेशन, यू हैव टू मेक योर क्रेडिबिलिटी. आपको उसमें फोकस, कंटेंट में, वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट में फोकस करना चाहिए. Then again, font sizes are also something which is like very upsetting in resume when there is wrong fonts used, wrong font sizes used. So these are the things which you should give, notice it and try to make your resume better. Okay. So see how a resume should look like. You should have your contact information. You should have an objective, a summary, that what you want to do. You should have a technical skills, what you have aspired. You should have a project details. You should have internship details, industry experience, because that is your content selling point. Okay. You should have your education details, any certification, workshops you have attended, conferences you have attended, or you have done some certifications for yourself, for your self-growth, development. You have done some kind of like, this hackathon. Okay, if you have attended to some of the hackathons, you have attended to some of achievements for you feel proud, any such thing. And your strengths, what are your strengths, your languages if you have any, and what are your achievements. Okay, that what you have achieved so far and what you want to do further. Okay, so these and all things are the contents of a good resume. Okay, before I go here, how many of you know what is LinkedIn? Are you all there in LinkedIn? Have you heard about LinkedIn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very less people still, no problem. So we'll talk about LinkedIn. This is a very powerful tool. Okay, so most of you must already have an account here. If you don't have your account, build it. That would be my advice to you. I'm also in LinkedIn. You can connect with me as well. How many of you have made what we were discussing yesterday? The video clip. What you have learned so far? Rutuja? let's take a pause here and let us see the video first. Then I'll touch this topic. किसी ने वीडियो बनाया अपना? Anyone? नहीं बनाया तो नहीं बनाया बोलो, लेकिन बोलो तो कुछ, ऐसे दीवार से तो मुझे बात नहीं करना पड़ेगा ना. हेलो एवरीबॉडी.
नहीं बनाया मैम.
No, ma'am.
नहीं बनाया. ओके, किसी ने बनाया है? ट्राई किया बनाने का, 10 बार डिलीट किया? एनीवन हियर? नो वन? No one has even tried and deleted and then again made it, redo it. No one here? टाइम नहीं हो रहा है आप लोगों के पास?
No, ma'am.
टाइम की कमी हो रही है. That's the reason is what that you are not able to do it. और भूल जाते हो. What is the problem statement here? It's fine. Like I'm not giving you marks for this. It's completely okay if you're forgetting, but tell me the real reason for it. That is it what that you're not able to manage your time, or you just tried it, but you know, in a hindsight, you just felt that अरे ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, इसको delete करते हैं, फिर बनाएंगे, वो भी ठीक नहीं हुआ. Any such experiences? और कि याद ही नहीं रहा, मैं भूल गए. क्या रीजन है? It's fine, यार. Come on, tell me the reason which is valid. Don't
One time.
time. Okay. So this is a major challenge. Forgot. Very nice. I like all this, you know, genuine, you know, reasons that, you know, it's very nice. I really like this. Okay. So it's fine. अगर आपको टाइम नहीं हुआ, आप भूल गए, तो I can understand. That's not the issue here. The issue is कि अगर टाइम आपको मैनेज नहीं हो रहा है ना, तो टाइम इज वन थिंग जो आपको मैनेज करना सीखना ही पड़ेगा. Without managing time, the life is of no meaning, because चाहे इस वर्ल्ड के बिगेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हो, चाहे ये वर्ल्ड के बिगेस्ट फिलेंथ्रोपिस्ट हो, चाहे ये वर्ल्ड के बिगेस्ट बिजनेसमैन हो, कोई भी हो, everybody has time as a common factor in their life. If they can do it, why can't we? Correct? So, not a problem. Try it. I want to get at least few videos which you are confident with, good dressed up. Then I'm going to put that with your like एकदम अच्छे से, when you're able to rehearse yourself. That is what is going to make your profile more sellable. You have to make your video that what was your takeaway from all these sessions that your college has organized for you. Okay, that what is that you're getting out of it, how you're changing your behavior from through all this learning. Everywhere we get learning, but unfortunately we don't realize that what it is giving us back. Okay, that's will come with a lot of practice. I know it. So, but try to do a good representation. उसके बाद आप लोग वीडियो रिज्यूमे में आइए, अपनी credibility build करिए, goal setting बनाइए अपने लिए. All the topics that your college has organized for you has a meaning in each topic. ठीक है? So let me reshare my screen. We were talking about LinkedIn. Just a minute. Okay. So are you seeing this boat picture? White.
Yes, ma'am.
So there will be lot of white boats. How you can be different and heading forward is what we are going to talk about here. बोट तो बहुत सारे हैं, कई डूब जाते हैं, कई आपके कश्ती किनारे पहुंच जाएंगे, और कई बोट अलग होते हैं जो रास्ता दिखाते हैं सबको. ठीक है? So this boat is also acting like that. So LinkedIn is also similarly like that, a tool which networks with people, which has huge database of different kinds of people, different industry of people. It's a professional network. And why we use it? To secure our professional network, to connect, to build our reputation in the market. Is it free? Yes, it is free. You can have your own account, you can log in, you can start building relationship, you can participate in different kind of forum of your interest, you can talk, you can share your ideas there, you can ask, you can like do whatever you like in a professional note. It's a professional network. Okay, all right, let me move on to the next slide. It looks something like this. Okay, so LinkedIn, when you log in, it's going to look something like this. You have jobs there. It's a tool where you can use to look out for a job. People do the posting here. You can like it. You can connect with the people, start building your relationship with them from today onwards so that you can secure your future tomorrow. Okay. Then you have all the blah, blah, blah. Not going to tell you the fields of LinkedIn, but these are the features that's available. You can browse by yourself. You can get started. It's a very, LinkedIn, you can try it, just check it out. So LinkedIn, when we're talking about resume, so LinkedIn is one. Acha, okay. I'll just give you my link. Just a minute. I'll give you at the end of this. I'll give you my link. You all can connect with me. Okay. So now, so see, this keeping your profile up to date is what you can do and start doing in LinkedIn. People will know your activity, what you're writing. I wrote a lot of articles. I, participate in different seminars and a lot of activities that I love to connect with. I love to network with people. I love to be with the youngsters like you, but unfortunately, nobody's switching on their own camera and I am talking to a faceless person. आज मुझे चेहरा ही नहीं दिख रहा है किसी का, तो मैं आप लोग किसी को चेहरे से नहीं जानती हूँ. So that is another disadvantage of, this online thing. But yes, so this thing is important when you connect and network with people, and you can add your relevant skills. आपको क्या क्या आते हैं वो आप लिख सकते हो. You can ask for recommendation. लोग recommendation पढ़ते हैं. They know you that what you've done in your work life. So these are the benefits of effective profile in LinkedIn. Okay, so now we are going to we are there for your resume building stuff. Now I want to hear from you that what are your key takeaways from this resume building? Have any one of you tried making a resume document for yourself? Anyone here who tried to make a resume document? So see, I'll give you one, apart from this, I'll give you another tip is never make your resume in Word document. You make it in Word document, but convert it into PDF. Okay, Word documents are editable. PDF are not editable. Okay, clear? Any doubts you have so far, which I can clear for whatever, sessions we have done so far? You can ask any doubt. In the meanwhile, let me just give you my LinkedIn ID. Okay, let me just paste this here in the chat box. So this is my LinkedIn ID. All right. So now, any doubts so far? Anything that I can solve it? We have around 15 minutes remaining. We kept this for your doubts, anything that you want to know, how to connect in LinkedIn, regarding LinkedIn tool, or regarding your profile, that how you can make it, or what should be your sellable area, or how to make a video resume. Any doubts so far? Everyone, I'm waiting for you. Yes, no, I need some answer, guys. Come on. I'm not talking to a school child. School kids से बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. I'm talking to engineers.
No, ma'am.
Great. Thank you. So if you don't have any doubts, then I think we are done for today. Okay. So, and if you have any doubt, you can write back to me. You can connect with me in LinkedIn. Okay. And as the last takeaway that I would tell you is, keywords are important. Okay. Your content that you're putting is important. Okay. Third one is what? Your document has to be what document? Marketing document, so that you can sell it. So remember those fundamentals, and you can like try making your own resume, or you can try making a LinkedIn resume well enough. Connect with people, connect who you like from the industry, try to build a network with them, because these all things, try to see if you have any idea, if some of you want to like do XYZ and want to build up your credibility. आप अपनी credibility बढ़ाइए, और try to see what you can do extra apart from your regular academics. What do you want to do extra? What do you aspire? You want to become an entrepreneur, or you want to go ahead and do something for society, community involvement, or you want to want to particularly work in some organization which is your dream company. See it, read about them, target them, market yourself, brand yourself, reach out to the right people, check it out. If आज से आप करोगे तो आपका वो सक्सेसफुल नेटवर्क साल 2 साल लग जाते हैं. Okay, till the time you're passed out from college, you can have a better network. ठीक है? All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So
मैम
yeah,
लिंक्डइन पर प्रोफाइल बनाते वक्त प्रोफाइल में अगर टेक्निकल स्किल्स ज्यादा ऐड ना करें, क्योंकि अब हम सीख रहे हैं ना, तो वो ज्यादा कनेक्ट कर पाएगा क्या किसी से? वो ज्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल होगा किसी के साथ?
correct. Very right question you've asked. Thank you for that, Mehak. So अगर आप लोग अभी कर रहे हो, तो आप कल को वो सीख जाओगे. ठीक है, तो आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. और अगर आपको लगता है कि अभी ऐड नहीं करना चाहिए, यू कैन लीव इट. यू कैन ऐड एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. इट्स योर प्रोफाइल. ठीक है, जब आप ऐड करोगे तो आपका नोटिफिकेशन एडेड नेटवर्क के पास जाएगा दैट दिस स्किल इज एडेड, अगर आप चाहते हो तो. ठीक है, देयर इज अ फीचर. अगर आपने समझो कि आज आपने पाइथन पढ़ा विच यू आर लर्निंग एंड आपको लगता है कि पाइथन मेरा खत्म बीच में खत्म हुआ एंड आई हैव लर्नड डेटा साइंस. इफ यू ऐड डेटा साइंस इन इट, द there's a setting that आपने जो learn किया है that will go to all your network and people will know that okay Mehak is like just completed her data scientist certification. Okay, so
Okay,
आप
ma'am.
कभी भी change कर सकते हैं. It is like your profile, it's your credibility, it's your document. Okay, so there's nothing like that. Any other doubts or question you have? Okay, all right. Then I think we are almost done. We can wind it up today. And if you have any doubts, please reach out to me, write to me. Now I want to see a few of yours learning journey so far in a video format. Okay, try it. That's going to make you like, it will raise up your confidence bar, by the way. And it will be helpful for you while marketing yourself. Take it at what you have learned, and this how you have utilized your time in a right way is always, you know, have a different अगर somebody tell you that मैंने कैसे अपना टाइम वक्त यूज किया, कोई कहे अगर मैं तो दिन भर व्हाट्सएप में पड़ा रहा, मैंने तो ये मूवी देखा, मैंने तो पॉपकॉर्न खाया, ये किया वो किया, गुड टू हैव. लेकिन कोई अगर आपको बोले कि इस टाइम पे मैंने ये डिजाइन किया, मैंने इतने लोगों से नेटवर्क बनाया, मैं इन लोगों के साथ कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में बैठ रहा हूँ, पता है वहां पे वो चल रहा है पार्टिसिपेशन, मैं वहां गया था. Which one is more lucrative? The hard work is always more lucrative. Hard work is the only lucrative thing in the world. There is nothing called lucky. I already told you guys. Luck plays only 1% role, but 99% is your hard work. So keep working hard. Good, secure your career, score good marks. And marks is one thing. It's a document. But what you are going to go ahead and change your personality with your, you know, name, with your ideas, with your thoughts, with your problem solving abilities, with critical thinking is what that will make you as a good employee or good employer or, you know, good human being as a person. Okay, so good luck to all of you. Tomorrow I think we have a holiday from Monday. Suma ma'am is going to join you guys and we'll take the next class. Okay, I will see you maybe sometime whenever, you know, at the end of the session, I might see you again. Okay, all right. Thank you, all of you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you,
Same.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.